Police throughout Metro Atlanta are dealing with an increase in deadly wrong-way crashes. Data from the Georgia Department of Transportation shows the number of deaths has more than doubled in the last decade. And this time of year is the absolute worst. Tonight, News Edge reporter Rob DiRienzo takes a closer look at the reason for the surge.
Well, it's a pretty terrifying scenario. You're driving down the highway at night, and all of a sudden you see headlights on your side of the road. It's happening more and more, and the results are deadly.
24-year-old Morgan Glover lost her life on an early morning just before Thanksgiving when her car collided with another on Georgia 400. A 52-year-old man was also seriously hurt in the wreck. Investigators haven't said who was at fault, but it's become part of an alarming trend.
Just about every year they've been increasing, and so the question is why.
Ted Spaulding is a personal injury attorney here in Atlanta. He says he's alarmed by GDOT data showing crashes more than doubling from 2013 to 2022.
It's really not the design of roads and things like that. If you really look at the statistics and drill down, the largest thing is DUI wrecks. That is what I see in my practice.
On New Year's morning in 2022, 30-year-old Jermaine Wilkins died in a wrong-way collision on Dallas-Ackworth Highway in Cobb County. Police said the other driver was drunk.
He was in his lane coming home, and the driver on the other opposite direction, two-lane highway, decides to try to pass the vehicle in front of him and hit my son dead on.
And Spaulding says this time of the year is the absolute worst for it, with both distracted and drunken driving.
9 times out of 10, man, it is just the driver doing something wrong. If it's not DUI, they're not paying attention. We got cell phone usage has obviously increased.
The AAA has ranked Georgia with the 5th highest number of wrong-way crash deaths in the entire country.
On the civil side, all you can get justice-wise is a monetary award from a jury. And at the end of the day, especially when you're talking death, none of these families would choose money over their family member.
In Atlanta, Rob DiRienzo, Fox 5 News.